As a general rule, when it comes to making an insurance claim following a leak, you need to ensure that the leak is fixed first and foremost. You do have a duty under the terms and conditions of your policy to prevent any secondary damage. Also, bear in mind that the insurance company won't normally pay to fix the leak itself, but they would normally cover the costs of the resultant water damage. At that stage, you then need to seek help, appoint Morgan Clark. We can report the claim to your insurers if you haven't done already. We will deal with their representatives. They may appoint a loss adjuster. We will then also arrange for a drying company to come to your property. They will install drying equipment, make sure that it's dried out as quickly as possible before any repairs can be carried out. We'll also present the claim. We'll work alongside a surveyor, assess the extent of the damage to the buildings and agree a way forward with the insurance company. We'll agree the costs on your behalf. Morgan Clark will then arrange for contractors to carry out the repairs on your property once, of course, it's been certified dry.